So hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is my makeup routine. I've already prepped my face and this is my primer. So I'm going in with my primer. As you can see, I have a really oily skin, so primer is like an essential basically. So since my face is oily, I go in with my translucent powder to control the oil on my face before coming in with the foundation. So this is one of the tricks I use in making sure my makeup stays all day, stays intact, and then you barely see my face oily. So this is one of the tricks I use. So currently I'm using this foundation, these two. I actually blend them together to get a perfect shade, and yeah, that's what I'm using currently. So we are going in for a soft look. We don't want to pile up makeup on, so I barely use foundation, like as you can see, just a tiny bit. And it's makeup, it can always add up, so you don't need to stress about it. You know, one thing I can say is to get a seamless look, that skin look, you have to blend, guys. Always blend. And I love to blend with this brush. I feel it's comfortable, I love it. And then some use beauty sponge. I think that is cool as well, but I feel this gives me the best finish ever. So as you can see, I'm piling up, I'm adding up the foundation and blending it in. Blend, 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 guys, blend. And so the foundation is basically going to the places on my face where I have the most that's most pigmented, and other places like my cheeks there's no foundation, and I'll use the concealer as you will see later on in the video, so stay tuned. Yeah, so to conceal my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I love that this is a perfect match for my skin. So yeah, as you can see, just a tiny bit. I'm going in for a skin look, so it will all come together after I'm done. So stay, guys, stick and stay, and I hope you have subscribed. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. You guys have been watching the videos but you don't actually subscribe, but I know you love me, so please kindly subscribe and put a comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned. So as you can see, blending is really important. To get a good finish, you have to blend. Make sure it enters the skin and it becomes part of the skin, and you get that perfect look. And now to contour my face, I'm going in with this compact powder. Just subtle. You don't need to go in heavy on the contour. If you are going in for a subtle look, something simple for work and other stuff, it has to be subtle. So as you can see, I'm contouring, but you can barely tell I have something on my face, but I do have makeup on, so makeup way. Yes, that's what I'm going in for. Guys, I honestly hate voiceovers. Like, speaking after the video is done is quite difficult, I must say, I must confess. As you can see, I'm blabbering, but yeah. So now I'm going in with my blush. I hate this, but I'm going in with my blush, as you can see, and that is the tone I'm going in for. This matches my skin perfectly. Well, comment down below if you think it matches my skin perfectly, but I feel it matches my skin. And I contour the forehead as well as going in with the same blush. Yes, that gives you like a warm tone, and I love that look. So yeah. So now to set my face, I'm going in with the translucent powder. So the trick is wherever you use a concealer initially, you go in with the translucent powder to prevent it from creasing. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm not baking my face that much. Some actually put the powder there for a period of time before getting rid of it, but then I am trying to go in for a soft look, something I can go to work with. That's what exactly I do for work every morning, so I don't want to look like a Kai. So as you can see, I'm not really baking the face. I'm going on light with the powder. So this is a 2-in-1 powder. As you can remember, I used the other parts for contouring, and now I'm using the other. I love this powder, by the way. I'm using it to basically using it on the rest of the face to get rid of the loose powder. And since I'm oily skin, like, powder is my friend actually, because with time now you can see my face is a bit powdery, if I may say so myself, but then with time, because of the oil on my face, it will all come together. So I use powders a lot, different types, the compact ones, the loose powders. If you're oily skin, this is your friend if you want your makeup to stay all day. I hate, like with passion, I hate voiceovers. This is actually one of my favorite products ever. Like, it matches my skin perfectly. It's like a bronzer or a compact powder, and after everything I go in with this helps to like tone the skin, make sure everything is in place. Any harsh lines, I get rid of it using this particular powder. I'll put a picture over there so you can see and get one if you want to. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe it, but we're almost through with this video. That's the setting powder I use actually, and I love it. That's the only one I use currently, so I don't know if you recommend any other things I use. But as you can see, we are done with this video. Very beautiful, simple look, glam, and I'm dancing. Well, that was short. And now I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown pencil. I'm lining my lips. I'm lining my lips. After this, I actually did a TikTok video, so you can, I'll link my TikTok so you guys can enjoy my dancing moves. I'm not really a dancer, but then yeah. The lipstick you see over here is actually Vaseline. That's what I was saying. Yep, Vaseline goes a long way. This video is, by the way, not sponsored by any makeup whatever. I love Vaseline. It's healthy, it's beautiful, it's simple, it's cute. And all kisses. And as you can see, I'm blending the Vaseline with the lip liner. And thank you so much for watching. This is the final look. This is simple. You can take it to work or wherever. Love you.